Hello everybody, lezyq here, and I am back with another video, and of course it's going to be a review. Oh, there is a new brand in Ghana, a new makeup brand in Ghana, and can you guess it? It's Forever, 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 Forever. Okay, so Forever is a new brand that is in Ghana now, and they released their very first ever collection. The moisturizer that I use, and it's the Nivea Hydro Care SPF 15. So that's what I use to moisturize my lip, and guys, it's so good. You need to get one. So these are the lipsticks, guys. So they released 9 shades. They released 9 shades, and I have all the 9 shades with me. So I am going to swatch them. I'm going to swatch them on my lips, and I'll give you my honest reviews. I'm just going to give you my honest reviews. So wait, and please make sure you moisturize your lips before you start using your matte lipstick. I have this trick. After every lipstick swatch, I'm just going to use my LA Girl Pro concealer to conceal my lips. Then I powder it so that it will make it a bit dry, because when I rub it with my wipes to clean it off, it becomes a bit watery. You get me? So when I put my matte lipstick on it, it's not gonna stick. Okay, it's just gonna move. So I have to prep the lip, just like how I started with the first lipstick. I have to prep it throughout to get the effective results of it. Guys, my lovely friends, please, this lipstick is so affordable. It's budget friendly. It is budget friendly, and the quality, I mean the quality, it's there. The quality, it is there. I can compare it to most of the high-end products international. It is there. It doesn't flake. It doesn't crack on the lips. It is not streaky. What can I say? One more can I say? One more can I say? It is highly pigmented. The colors are so beautiful. So beautiful. The colors are so beautiful. So guys, I will leave the handles where you can get the Forever Matte lipsticks. I will leave the handles in the description box. Okay, and then guys, please show some love. Make sure you share the video, you like this video, you comment it, and then please subscribe. Turn on your notification buttons so that anytime I do a review, you'll be the first person to see the video. Okay?